How to make your Outlook calendar private. So here I am in the classic version of the Outlook application. So I will show you how to do it both in the classic version and the new version of Outlook. So here is the classic version of Outlook. So from here, we can go to the calendar page. And then from here, if you want to make your Outlook calendar private, you can just remove the permissions that you have given to other people. Like for example, my calendar right here. I can just right click on my calendar right here and then click on sharing permissions. From here, it will show you all of the people that you have shared this calendar with. So for example, this person or this Outlook email has the permission to view my Outlook calendar right here. You can also change this to if they can edit the calendar. But if you want to make your Outlook calendar private, you can just remove all of the people that is right here and has the Outlook calendar sharing permissions. So from here, just click on a person right here in the name and then click remove. That way, your Outlook will now become private and they cannot see your calendar anymore. So from here, just click apply and then click OK. And then that is it. So now your Outlook calendar is private and then no one can see it anymore. So this is for the classic version of Outlook. So if we have the new version of Outlook, I can show you how to do it. So I'll just open it right here. But before that, I'll add the same person right here so that it will also be seen in my new version of Outlook. So it will be synced. So just add that right here, click apply, click OK. Then I can open the new version of Outlook right here. So here is the new version of Outlook, and then the steps is basically the same. Just go to the calendar page. From here, go to your calendar, click the three dots, go to sharing and permissions, and then you will see all of the people that has access to your calendar. And then you will just do the same thing. So you will just remove all of the people that has access to your calendar so that you can make your Outlook calendar private. So for example, this person right here is the email address that I added earlier. So just click the remove button right here, which is this trash icon. And then now my Outlook calendar is now private since I'm not sharing the calendar with anyone. Then click close and then that is it. So that is how you can make your Outlook calendar private, both in the classic version of Outlook and the new version of Outlook. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.